Want to play Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtles Splintered Fate on your PC? In this video, I'll show you exactly how to download the game, install it properly, and get it running on your PC step by step. Make sure the download is fully completed before moving to the next step. Once the installation is complete, open the game folder or use the desktop shortcut. Launch the game and wait for it to load. If everything is installed correctly, the game should start normally. And that's it. That's how you can download, install, and run Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtles Splintered Fate on PC.
Is that you? Where are you?
If this tutorial helped you,
Let's go.
don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more gaming tutorials, fixes, benchmarks, and PC gaming guides. Thanks for watching.
If I'm gonna be the leader Master Splinter wants me to be, I have to focus. Train. Wish the others were here. They're good, but not good enough. None of us are. We need to be better, Ninja. How can I motivate them? Something's not right. A foot! What the heck are those creeps doing here? Not exactly the kind of training I was expecting. Hold on. Whoa! I feel... Now, let's see if any more of those foot jerks are lurking around. Another ambush, guys? You seriously need to come up with some new tricks. Okay, this is definitely... Forget Donnie. Pretty sure I'm gonna need Father to explain all this. Just a little farther.